Healthy Human Fitness. Today's challenge, 100 challenge, is kind of like the Thigh Master. Do you guys remember the Thigh Master? So you put that band right above your knees onto the thigh. You've got extra heavy, or the light one. I've got medium on, I don't know, it just happened. So make sure you get your bands. If you haven't already, we're gonna go ahead and begin. And we're gonna do 100 because it's a challenge. So we just do 100. When you get to 50, you start feeling it. But 100, you're really challenging yourself. So that's why I picked that for the New Year, New You, starting in January. Make sure that you guys are watching. Make sure you subscribe to the channel so you don't miss anything. Let us know that you're joining us, you're part of this. We want to hear from you. We love our community. And here we go. Okay, so my feet are about hip width apart, and we just press in and out for 100. So we don't come in all the way. There's just a constant tension, constant resistance for 100 times. And we go in and out, feeling it in the inner thighs, feeling it in the outer thighs, feeling it in that side booty. You know what I'm talking about. Keep your chest up, nice and tall. We're working the lower body. Teeny bit of abs, but not really. If you really wanted to get the abs, you come back right in here, and you'll do the legs with the abs. But personally, I'd rather target that area later, so you're focused. Come back up, and you're really gonna burn that inner thigh some more. If you're right here, just focus on that one area. Keep your position, keep that form, and breathe. We're halfway there already. Woohoo! Yes! Doesn't it feel good? Get those muscles burning, get the blood circulation going, keeping yourself healthy, keeping that movement, staying fit, taking care of yourselves. And we are almost there. Finished. Boom. Stretch it out. Take a big deep breath in. Flex your toes. Woo, flex your feet. And just stretch it forward. Very nice. Okay, you guys, I hope that I will see you tomorrow at the next challenge. Maybe you're just jumping on and finding this. If you want to see all of the challenges for our 100s, go to our New Year, New You playlist, and we'll see you soon. Mwah!